Dark suit, slow breath. Every step feels like depth. No rush, no sound. Still I own this ground. Eyes low, mind clear. I don't move from fear. They speak, I wait. Then I seal their fate. Silent power, no need louder. One's glad it's over. You feel it, don't you? No mercy, no light, just shadows in time. I don't arrive. I'm already there. There are rules. And then there's me. Night falls heavy on the street. Echoed steps beneath my feet. Every shadow knows my name. Every silence plays my game. No mistakes are left behind. I don't rush, I take my time. You see motion, I see fate. You react, I calculate. Black order, no disorder. Every move getting closer. Velvet smoke and amber glass. Moments fade but I outlast. Words are weak, I keep them low. Still they follow where I go. Eyes don't lie but the mind don't show. What you fear I already know. You want power, learn the cost. Every game begins with loss.